Hi, this is Jeremy Schuback. I wanted to show you a way to turn around a title bumper ridiculously quickly, in like 5 minutes. Something that looks good and doesn't require a whole lot of technical skill. And if you know a little bit about Photoshop and After Effects, really anyone can do. And basically the trick to it is just thinking a little bit outside of the box. So let me show you the effect first, and then let me show you how I made it. Here's the effect. So in order to make this, I started out in Photoshop, and the document that I made here looked like this. Then what I did is just simply aimed a camera on it and played around with my glasses changing the framing. So this is kind of it zoomed out with it on a tripod, as you can see. And here's what it looked like from the frame. This was just me doing a few takes, just being like, how can I do a cool thing? So, I did it over and over until I got something that I liked. I got that footage and I uploaded it onto my computer, and then I took it into After Effects. Essentially, what I did is I had it go from, here's the original footage. There was a few areas in it that I was like, it looks too much like a pair of glasses. So I put some masks on it to kind of mask those out. And I, made sure that they followed along. And even now it still looks like a pair of glasses going through all of this. So I put on a curves effect. So it went from looking like that to looking like this. So as you can see, I just kind of crushed the colors down like crazy just to make it so it looked all mysterious and wild rather than just a pair of glasses going over a computer screen. And then there was a little bit of a glitch effect that happened at the end. So let me show you that series of tests. In order to add that glitch effect, I'm not going to show you exactly how it's done because I just copied a tutorial that exists online. But very quickly speaking is I got this little bit of footage right here. So here we go, that I just downloaded from online and then put it on displacement map. And that was the final piece. In general, it was 5 minutes playing around with it. Then I spent a little bit more time on color adjustment, a little bit more time taking the notes of the director, make this bigger, make this smaller, change this, which is just masks and duplicating layers. And I had a final title bumper. All right, so that's what it takes to kind of think a little bit outside of the box right there. Thanks for joining me, and subscribe.